Oh, reason not the need. Our basest beggars are in the poorest
Things superfluous.
Allow not nature more than nature's needs.
Man's life's as cheap as beasts. Thou art a lady.
If only to go warm were gorgeous, why? Nature needs not what thou gorgeous wearest, but scarcely keeps thee warm.
But for true need, you, heavens, give me that patience. Patience I need.
You see me here, you gods. A poor old man, as full of grief as age. Wretched in both.
If it be you, stir these daughters' hearts against their father.
Fool me not so much to bear it tamely.
Touch me with noble anger.
Let not woman's weapons, water drops, stain my man's cheeks.
No. You, unnatural hags.
I will have such revenges on you both, that all the world shall, I will do such things.
What they are, I know not, but they shall be the terrors of the earth.
Do you think I will weep? No. I will not weep.
I have full case of weeping, but this heart shall break in 100,000 flaws, or ere I weep.
Oh, fool, I shall go mad. Have I not reason, think you, to look pale?
These two have ticed me hither to this place.
A barren, detested vale. You see it is.
The trees through summer yet forlorn and lean.
Overcome with moss and baleful mistletoe.
Here never shines the sun. Here nothing breeds unless the nightly owl or fatal raven.
And when they showed me this abhorred pit, they told me, here, at the dead time of the night,
1,000 fiends.
1,000 hissing snakes.
10,000 swelling toads, as many urchins.
Would make such fearful and confused cries as any mortal body hearing it.
Would straight fall mad, or else die suddenly.
no sooner had they told me this hellish tale, but straight they told me they would bind me here under the body of a dismal ewe and leave me this miserable death.
And then they called me foul adulteress.
Lascivious Goth, and all the bitterest terms that ever did hear to such effect.
And had you not by wondrous fortune come,
This vengeance on me they had executed.
Revenge it.
As you love your mother's life, or be ye not henceforth called my children.